How to use the Modify panel in Silhouette Studio. Step 1. The Modify panel is located on the right panel and looks like an intersecting rectangle and circle. Step 2. Click the Modify panel, then go to Shapes and draw a circle and rectangle to see how the objects interact. Step 3. Select the circle, click the Color Fill drop-down and choose a color to use. Step 4. Select the rectangle, click the Color Fill drop-down and choose a different color. Step 5. Drag and draw a bounding box over the shapes, make a duplicate and set the duplicate design aside. Step 6. Now, let's take a look at the Modify panel. Select the overlapping objects, click Weld, and it'll join the selected images together into one continuous image. Step 7. Weld is helpful when you want to cut text or design as a solid design and not an individual design. Step 8. Click the Undo button in the top toolbar to return the welded design to its original design. Step 9. Select both the shapes again, click Subtract, and it will remove the overlapping parts of the image that is in front of the other image. Step 10. Only the back image will remain with the overlapping portion removed. Step 11. Click Undo to return the design to its original state. Step 12. When you click Subtract All with the design select, it'll remove the portion of an image that is hidden behind the other image. Step 13. No shapes will disappear, only the portion that was hidden will. Step 14. Click Undo to return the shapes to their original design. Step 15. When you click Intersect with overlapping object selected, it'll leave only the overlapping or intersecting part of the selected shapes. Step 16. If you have two shapes, it'll leave the intersecting part behind. Step 17. If you have more than two shapes, it'll leave only the intersecting portion of all the selected shapes. Step 18. Click Undo to return the shapes to their original design. Step 19. When you click Divide with different shapes selected, it'll create individual objects from the intersection of the selected shapes. Step 20. Click Undo to return the shoes to their original design. Step 21. When you click Crop with different shapes selected similar to the intersect, it'll remove all areas that are not shared by overlapping shapes. Step 22. Crop allows users to crop a shape out of a pattern, image, or design. Step 23. Under Compound Paths, there are two functions, Make and Release. Step 24. When you click Make with two shapes stacked, the shapes will become a single layer and can have holes or voids in the design. Step 25. When you click Release, you'll have the two original shapes. Step 26. At the bottom of the Modify panel is the Detach Lines option, which detaches the outlines from the shapes and converts them into their own shapes. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com, or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.